Welcome back, guys. The last time I unboxed this book, Traffic Secrets, from Russell Brunson. Since then I have read it, completely read it, and trust me guys, it is awesome. It goes so deep into this traffic thing. It tells you how to do it on each platform. Let's see right here. So trust me guys, if you haven't gotten your free copy already, click the link down below and you can get your free copy. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling, right? And you get it right in the mail. So in this book, Russell goes into it. He talks about Google, he talks about YouTube, he talks about Instagram, he talks about Facebook. And the good thing about how he structured this book is that even if Facebook or Google or Instagram change their strategy, what he teaches in this book will still work, you know. I don't know how knowledgeable you guys are about social media and the history of Google and stuff like that, but over the years Google in particular have changed their algorithms quite a few times, and it has made entrepreneurs have to go back to the drawing board and remodel the way how they market and how they run ads on Google. But with the strategies in this book, even if they change their algorithm again, once you follow these strategies, you'll be okay, and you can get visitors right into your websites or your funnel every day. It's almost like autopilot, but you have to put in the work first and set up the system the right way, and it will work. You know, I can't wait to start implementing the things that I learned in this book. And as I said in the previous video when I was unboxing this book, I will definitely share some of these stuff that I learned in this book. I will share some of the content. I will make videos about them so that you can learn. Even if you don't get the book, I will share this with you. I won't keep it to myself. So Traffic Secrets, Russell Brunson, Dean Graziosi, he wrote the foreword for this book, and it's really a good book. Really a good book. It took me 1 week to read it off. I pretty much, 1 week, and it's 330 pages, and I read it non-stop. You know, I probably could have read it faster, but you know, I have other stuff doing, so it took me a week, and trust me, it was well worth it. But also guys, I told you that this is the third book in a trilogy. There are 3 books. The first book is .com Secrets, the second book is Expert Secrets, and this is Traffic Secrets. So I have right here the other 2 books. They came in the mail. I haven't opened them as yet. I'm going to unbox them for you, but not in this video. I'm going to do a separate video and unbox these books for you, right? So I'll also put a link in the description below where you can get these books as well. I'll put a link to all 3 books. So if you're an entrepreneur and you have a website, or you already have funnels and you need more traffic, you need more customers, you need more leads, whatever it is, these books can help you. Trust me, I'm not kidding around. The information in these books, they are invaluable. Russell himself, for the first book, he said it took him about a decade to write that book, and if you were to research this information by yourself, I'm sure it'll probably take you a decade or even more. So you're buying yourself a lot of time just by getting these books. So with that said, subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about marketing online, internet marketing. It doesn't matter what type of business you own. It could be a store, a brick and mortar business, it could be an online business. The content within these books, they will help you a lot. So just click on the links below and get your free book now. Or if you're living inside the US, it only costs $9.95 to ship them. You can there's also a bundle. You can get them in a bundle, and I'll put the link to the bundle as well. So if you're only interested in one book, you can get one book. If you're interested in all three of them, you can get the bundle, or you can get them at separate times. It doesn't matter. It all depends on your preference. So guys, trust me, I look forward to implementing these things in my business and reaping the rewards. So subscribe to my channel, click the button right there, and stay tuned for more videos.